Welcome to my channel. Don't skip this video because what you are about to hear might be exactly what you are going through right now. This is not just a story. This is a journey from fear to confidence. Ayan was 16 years old, and he had one dream that he was too afraid to chase. He wanted to speak English confidently in front of people and become a content creator. But there was one big problem. Every time he tried to speak English, his voice stopped, his heart beat fast, his mind went blank. In school, when the teacher asked him to speak, he stood up slowly, said one wrong sentence, and then the class started laughing. That laughter stayed inside him like a wound. It followed him everywhere. At home, he avoided speaking English completely. He started believing that he was not good enough. One night, he decided to try again. He opened his phone, pressed the record button, and said, "Hello," but he stopped again. Delete. Again. Delete. His phone was full of failed videos. He looked at himself and whispered, "Maybe this dream is not for me." But deep inside, something refused to give up. The next day, while walking in school, he saw a small poster on the wall. It said, "Speak English Club. Start from zero, no fear." His heart started beating fast again. This time, not from fear, but from hope. With shaking hands, he wrote his name. That moment changed everything. Chapter 2. The first day in the English club felt like entering a new world for Ion, but not a comfortable one because fear was still sitting inside his chest, making his heart beat loud and his thoughts heavy. Yet something inside him told him to stay and not run away this time. So he slowly walked into the room and sat quietly, looking around at other students who also seemed nervous, which made him feel a little less alone. And then a calm and confident teacher entered. His name was Sir Rehan, and his smile felt warm and safe, like someone who truly understood fear, and he said something that instantly changed the atmosphere. Here, mistakes are welcome. And those simple words touched Ion deeply because it was the first time someone made mistakes feel normal instead of embarrassing. Then Sir Rehan gave a small task. Say your name in your dream, and suddenly Ion's fear came back stronger. His hands started shaking, and his mind told him to stay silent. But then he remembered why he came here. So he stood up slowly and said in a weak voice, "My name is Ion, and I want to speak English confidently." And for a second there was silence. But then something unexpected happened. Everyone started clapping, not laughing, and that moment felt powerful because it was his first small victory. And when he went home that day, he did something different. He stood in front of the mirror and started speaking. Even though he made mistakes again and again, he did not stop, because for the first time, he felt hope growing inside him. Chapter 3. Days started passing, and Ayan continued his practice with small steps. But just when he thought things were getting better, life tested him again in a way that hit him deeply. Because one day in class, the teacher suddenly asked him to speak in English again, and this time he decided to try with courage. But as soon as he started speaking, he made mistakes. And within seconds, laughter filled the room again, louder than before, sharper than before, and it felt like all his progress was gone in one moment. His face turned red, his voice stopped, and he sat down feeling completely broken. And that day, when he went home, he did not practice, he did not speak, he just sat quietly, thinking that maybe he was not meant for this, maybe this dream was too big for him, and for the first time, quitting felt easy. But that night, his mother came and sat beside him. She did not say much, but her words were simple and powerful. If it was easy, everyone would do it. And those words stayed in his mind. The next day, he still felt scared, and he almost skipped the English club. But then his phone rang. It was Sir Rehan, who simply said, "You only lose when you stop." And that sentence hit him deeply. So he went back, not with confidence, but with determination. And this time, he made a decision no matter how many times he fails, he will not stop speaking. Chapter 4. 1 week later, something happened that made Ayan's fear return even stronger than before because Sir Rehan announced a challenge that changed everything. He said, "Next week, everyone will give a speech in English in front of the group." And the moment Ayan heard this, his heart dropped, his mind started filling with fear again, and for a second, he thought about quitting because speaking one sentence was already hard for him. And now a full speech felt impossible. But then something inside him reminded him of his journey, reminded him of his small wins. So instead of running away, he decided to face it. And that night, he started preparing. He wrote a very simple speech about his fear, using easy words, short sentences, and real emotions. And then he started practicing again and again in front of the mirror, in front of his younger sister, even alone in his room. Sometimes he forgot words, sometimes he felt frustrated, sometimes he wanted to cry. But he kept going because this time he was not trying to be perfect, he was trying to be brave. And finally, the big day arrived. His name was called. His hands were cold, his legs were shaking, and his heart was racing. But he still walked to the front, took a deep breath, and started speaking slowly, carefully, honestly. And even though he made mistakes, he did not stop. And when he finished, something magical happened. The room filled with loud clapping, real clapping, and in that moment, Ayan realized that fear loses when you face it. Chapter 5. After that day, Ayan was no longer the same person because something inside him had changed deeply. Not suddenly, but strongly. He was still not perfect, but now he believed in himself, and that belief started showing in his actions. He began speaking more in daily life, even when it felt uncomfortable. He joined online groups, talked to strangers in English, and although some people corrected him and some ignored him, he kept learning from every experience. And one day, he made a bold decision. He recorded a video and uploaded it online. His hands were shaking when he pressed the upload button. His heart was full of fear, but also hope. And when comments started coming, some were negative, some were positive. One comment said, "Your English is weak." And that hurt him. But another said, "You inspired me to start." And that one comment gave him strength. So instead of stopping, he continued, day by day, video by video. His confidence started growing, his speaking improved, his fear became smaller, and slowly, people started noticing him. His followers increased, his voice became stronger, and one day, his father watched his video and smiled proudly. And that silent moment meant everything to him because it showed that his hard work was finally being seen. Chapter 6. Ayan's journey teaches something powerful that many people ignore. Success is not about being perfect. It is about not giving up because he was once a boy who was afraid to speak even one sentence. And now he speaks confidently in front of many people, not because he was talented, but because he was consistent. He practiced daily. He faced his fear. He accepted his mistakes. And most importantly, he never stopped. And if you are watching this, then this is your sign, your moment, your chance to change your life. You do not need perfect English to start. You do not need confidence to begin. You just need one step, one sentence, one try. And yes, people may laugh, you may fail, you may feel embarrassed, but that is part of the journey. Because every failure teaches you something, every mistake makes you better. So do not wait for the right time. Start now, speak now, practice now, believe in yourself, because your voice matters, your dream matters, and your journey matters. And if you keep going, One day you will look back and realize that the fear that once controlled you is now the reason you became strong. So take action today, work hard every single day, and never, ever give up.